Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Will here. Again, thought I'd just give you guys another little update on how the stock car rebuild's going. So we haven't done a lot this week because we went down to Palmerston North for a few days, and then yesterday I had big plans on getting stuff done, and then we had like a power cut for I think it was like 7.5 hours. Somebody hit a power pole just down the road. I think they were okay, so nobody got hurt, but took out a whole concrete power pole, so they had to replace it. So 7.5 hours of no power yesterday, so we didn't get a lot done building wise, I guess, but we did get a lot of thinking done, a lot of thinking of what we needed to do. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you my list of things to do. So this is this little car that just rode up just the other week. Gisborne Speedway page put up their proposed dates for their racing. So I was like, oh man, there's only like 8 weeks. I think I've already said that before. So I just made this little objective list. So for each week, so that was the first week, last week. This was supposed to be this week. This was what we were supposed to get done. We got the side rail done and cut and welded and all the rest of this stuff. We didn't get any of that done, but we did make a start on our drive shaft hoop and all that kind of stuff in the seat, the bottom seat mount. But that's our list and on here as well. But I'll probably redo this as we go. And but that's pretty much what I got done in the first week. Second week we only got that done. And yeah, but anyway, while we're here, I thought I'd just share this Demon Energy drink. I think they sponsor the Panthers or the Pumas, stock car and super stock teams. So I thought, while I was down in Palmy, I got it. Not too bad actually, like a combo. Tastes like in between a Red Bull and a Monster, and this is just the old pre-workout container. The cousin Alex, he runs the Explosive Tighter Footy shop in Gizzy. Go to suss them out for some subs. Anyway, this is the car. This is where we're at. So last time, so we finished kind of doing the side rail. I've got to just clean up the welds. So that's one of the wheel guards done. And this side rail is kind of like in place. I haven't put any of the the bars to go from the chassis to the side rail up the middle yet, because I knew I'd be like climbing in and out of there, so I thought I'd just leave it. But the main part's done, main part of the side rail is done. So now we're sort of just mucking around on our seat. Picked this Race Tech seat up down in Palmy couple of months back. So we're just using that at the moment. Need some upholstery, obviously. So we'll suss someone out for that as well. But we're kind of just working on this bar to go across from the gearbox, from one side to the other side, so we can sit our seat on it, and just a sort of a hoop over the drive shaft there. So we've got just the dummy drive shaft in. So drive shaft's on our list to make as well. And so we just bolted the gearbox back in as well. Shout out to Gaza. This is a ZF box we used to have in our Super when we had it. But the drive shaft came to grief one night and it cracked the bottom of the gearbox housing. So you can't see it, but down there, just the bottom crack where it bolts on, that got cracked off. So he welded that up for us. So shot bro for that. We got tested our radiator out, so that's going to fit in there. Got plenty of room, so we just got to make a frame for that as well. Looks like the roll cage is on, but it's just, this is the old one, it's just sitting there. So it'll probably be about the same, but I was going to make it a little bit taller by about 50 mils or 100. What else have we done? We've been mucking around, contemplating changing the axle, going away from the Zephyr one and putting the straight bar one in. We've got some Falcon stubs, but we need to drill the holes out. I I think I sort of started drilling one of them out the other day, but fuck, it just wasn't cutting through. But I read on the internet that you can use masonry bits with a carbide tip. And this is the other thing we picked up in Palmy. Got some shocks and springs. We got everything we need by 2 springs. They didn't have them in stock, but we got those down at Fastlane Spares. Pete Sloman sort of had a good talk to him. Walked around the shop and everything, but yeah, that's it on the car at the moment. Yeah, so that's our update for this week. Hopefully we get more done this week. And but I've got to shoot off today, so you're not going to get a lot done today. But that's just the update to keep you guys, you know, sort of up to date with what we're up to. Anyways, yeah, that's it. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.